Today we're going to solve the mystery of missing files in your NativeScript Webpack build process. That's coming right up. Hey everybody, it's Alex. Welcome back. Here we do NativeScript tips, tricks, and tutorials twice a week. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the little notification so you don't miss any of those. So I've got a really cool tutorial coming up in the next video. It's going to show you how to do a full background, a full screen background playing a video. But while I was working on that, I came across a very strange problem that really bugged me and I didn't know how to solve it. And then Nathaniel and Brad Martin from NStudio helped me out solve this problem. And this video is just to demonstrate that problem that I faced. It's not going to be the full background video thing. That's coming up in the next video. Here I just want to show you what the problem was, and I'm going to actually simulate the problem just to prove a point. And it's a really short video. Let me show you what I mean. All right, so I got this app starter, this Hello World starter, and I got an images folder in here with two of the same images. One is a JPEG and one is a PNG file. I'm going to try putting this image into my page here. So here's main page. I'm going to go down here to the stack layout where we see that label button and label. And I'm just going to add an image element with a source attribute. The source is going to point to /images and then phone.jpg. We'll start with the JPEG. Let's take a look. Hey, look at that. There it is. Pretty simple. Now, maybe I don't want to use the JPEG. Maybe I want to use the PNG instead. Let's see. You know what? I'm going to compare them two and see how they both look next to each other. Here's another image. I'm going to use the PNG in this case. And, where is it? It's not showing up. Or is it only one of them showing up? I don't understand. Let me delete the JPEG here and just use the PNG. The PNG is not showing up at all. Well, that's funny. NativeScript does support PNGs. Well, here's what happened. And I did this to prove a point. By default, you will have NativeScript supporting JPEGs and PNGs, but that's only because your Webpack configuration supports it. I removed the PNG glob pattern from the Webpack config here in this project just so that I can put it back in to show you that that's what's responsible. And the reason you might want to know that is because if you're putting a file type in here that you're going to access at runtime that is not one of the ones that Webpack config already has configured in its glob pattern, it's going to be ignored and you're going to be wondering, where did my file go? It's a pretty annoying thing that I just had to deal with, so I wanted to show you how to do that. All right, here is the copy Webpack plugin in the plugins section of Webpack configuration. And it has a couple of glob patterns here. You'll notice fonts is here, and you'll notice one for JPEG. So I'm going to make a copy of this JPEG one and just change the extension to PNG. Let's save that, and we're going to need to restart because we changed Webpack config. So I'm going to rerun my application, and I'll show you why this is important in a second. So here's my app, it's running. Now if I go back to my code and I add the JPEG and the PNG here together, there we go. Now you will have two files here. The sizing is a little bit off, but that's okay. They're both displaying. So why is this important? Well, if you're going to show videos, which I'm about to do, I'm going to show that in the next video. I'm going to show you how to use videos. Well, the video files that are going to be stored locally are not going to be copied by Webpack unless you put in the extension here. For example, if you're going to have MP4 videos here, you're going to need to add that glob pattern .mp4. All right, mystery solved. So there you go, folks. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel and check out the next video that's coming up. That's going to be the full background video playing in your mobile device. That's a pretty cool technique that I'll show you in the next video. If you have any other questions, let me know on Twitter. I'm at Digitalex over there, or leave a comment down below. I'll see you in the next one. Happy NativeScripting.